want to do blowjob? I can draw. Do you want to do blowjob? I can draw.
Do you want to do blowjob and draw?
No, that's this. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So many beautiful Japan girls.
No, you bet me, that's this.
I can show you photos.
What's up already? Man down, man. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Wait, would you look at this? Would you look at this? This thing got stuck in, this person got stuck in the traffic. Right in the middle of the crossing. Why did he go on the red lights there? No, look at this. Somebody come and look at this. The tightest pants ever. Alright, so I'm out here waiting on my friend in Shibuya. We're supposed to meet from about 10:30. It is now after 11, going to 12. Jamaicans don't know nothing about time. Not a backside thing, they know about time. Wait for my friend. Where is she? This place have a security system where come in like say me I try to go see Jesus. I jump inside, guys, so that's not even the pearly gates have so much security, sir. But you know what it's all is from? Pearly gates, see the black women explore Japan. Without you, man said 11 must go before 5. And what does he say? We need ID and throw away water. So this is me I try going, and I'm a regular patron of these foreigners, but there's a new place and the security tight. I must shoot Trump there. Trump inside, guys, so that's why Donald Trump is inside the party, guys. So please calm down. Buckles up, bus. Chelsea. Hi, Chelsea. Look at her representing Trinidad and Tobago. Yo, you need to see this live. It's not a joke thing. You're coming late on Sunday. Coming to the festival on Sunday. Bye, Chelsea. I'll be there. Bye. Just step out of the club. They are in the vlog. They are with the people. Ha 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 ha. What there? Walk home. Now, God, the ocean, huh? Shut up. Alright, we're going home and we are effed up. Come, we're gonna get some food. We're gonna eat.
We're gonna eat.
What are we gonna eat?
I think it's pretty cool.
She hates Japanese men.
I do.
Today.
I just wanted a cute guy. He was cute.
I don't know. I guess.
He was cute.
And
he was kind of mean, which is my style.
which is your style? Which is the style of all women in the
I
world?
like guys that are kind of mean.
So to Jamaica.
Yeah.
We're gonna die.
Oh, Kawaii. Hello.
Nicola, get your ass without look down. I'm gonna get you to the train station and then you're on your own because I'm gonna sleep in Shibuya.
No.
I'm sleeping in Shibuya. So I have to take you all the way to Shinjuku?
No. I need a boy to sport with.
This is not working well, guys. This is a mission failure. Failure. Play with a girl.
He was like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna be at the thing today.
Oh, so Sadaka, you wanna just take him home?
We talked about all of that.
Wow. You were missing for a long time,
That's
bro.
what I'm saying. He was talking me. No. You need to understand. It was not. Okay, stop the video.
Alright. Emergency. We have stuff around here. I'll be here, watch out. 50 police, there's no crime, so this is what they have to do. Come in, my general. I want to see this. Me now move. Me now move. What's up already? Somewhere, where?